Hey guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Sea Ray Super Center. We're checking out a brand new Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard in this beautiful quantum blue Sea Ray hull. It's full. It's gorgeous. We got it paired with a black sports tower and gray interior. Let's take a look on board. This literally just came off the truck. Still's got the wrapping on it from Sea Ray on the motor. I just wanted to get this online and show you guys. These boats have been super hot, hard to keep in stock. Let's take a look. We got this gray sea deck flooring on the swim platform and on the entry steps. Big large sun pad as you walk inside. We got a port side walk through, 2 steps down to a sunken cockpit area. Just a gorgeous boat with this color combination. Upgraded stereo system, subwoofer, fusion stereo speakers, head unit. Lots of nice space in the back, and this being an outboard, this lifts up and you got a nice dedicated storage. All finished fiberglass in here. Great place to keep your water toys, luggage, dive gear, etc. Got the water sports tower, which is perfect for towing wakeboarders. Black sunbrella fabric. Got the LED light package, so you see in these cup holders, we got little LED lights, rope lighting, illuminates blue at night. It looks awesome. Digital throttle, digital shift. We got a 5-inch SIMRAD, which shows depth and GPS. Fusion stereo head unit right there. And then on the port side, we do have a small pump out marine toilet. Great if you got kids or you don't want to have to stop and lose time on the water to find a bathroom. Plenty of seating forward. Full-size adult can sit comfortably. Look at all these cushions that wrap all the way around. Support everywhere you go. Notice the stainless steel accents on all the hardware. Again, this is a 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Just came in from Sea Ray to our store here in Pompano. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.